Everyone, welcome back. We solve for the value of x given this exponential equation. We have 9 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 45. So what is the value of x? Solution. We have 9 raised to power x minus 1. This is equal to 45. So the first thing, applying the indices identity, that a raised to power n minus m, this can be expressed as a raised to power n divided by a raised to power m. So we apply this identity so that we'll have 9 raised to power x divided by 9. This is equal to 45. So we multiply both signs by 9, multiplying both signs by 9. So that we'll have 9 raised to power x. This is 45 multiplying by 9. Okay. So to solve this, we introduce the natural logarithm. We'll have log 9 raised to power x. This is log 45 multiplying by 9. Okay. So to solve for this, we introduce logarithm identity. If you have log m raised to power p, this can be expressed as p log m. And the second property, if you have log c multiplied by d, this can be expressed as log c plus log d. Okay, so you apply these two identities so that you'll have x log 9, this is equal to log 45 plus log 9. Okay, so again we divide both sides by log 9 and then log 9, so that we'll have x is equal to, now log 45 can be expressed as log, this is 9 multiplied by 5 divided by log 9 plus, this is log 9 and log 9, if simplify you'll have 1. Okay, so that we'll have x is equal to, now applying the second property, you're going to have log 9 plus log 5 divided by log 9, divide this by log 9 plus 1. So log 9 and log 9 simplifies, so that x is equal to 1 plus log 5 divided by log 9 plus 1. Okay, so that x is equal to 2 plus log 5 divided by log 9. Okay, now applying the property, the third property, that if you have log a divided by log b, this can be essentially be expressed as log a to base b. Okay, so we apply this property so that we'll have x as 2 plus log 5 to base 9. Okay, so that's the value of x. Let's verify if this value of x is correct, so that, remember, we earn 9 raised to power x minus 1. This should give us 45. Okay, so we substitute the value of x so that we'll have 9 raised to power 2 plus log 5 to base 9 minus 1. This should give us 45. Okay, so that we'll have 9 raised to power 2, this is 2 minus 1, so that this is 1, 9 raised to power 1 plus log 5 to base 9, this should give us 45. Okay, so this is 9 raised to power 1 multiplying by 9 raised to power log 5 to base 9, this should give us 45. Okay, now applying the third property of 9 raised to power 1 multiplying by 9 raised to power log 5 to base 9, this is simply because if you say a raised to power n plus m, this can be expressed as a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m. Okay, given that the bases are common. Now we have 9 raised to power 1 multiplying by 9 raised to power log 5 to base 9. Okay, now applying, if you have b raised to power log m to base b, This essentially is supposed to give you m. Okay, so applying this identity, in our case here we have 9 raised to power log 5 to base 9. This will essentially give us 5. Okay, so we substitute 5 back to our equation here, so that we'll have 9 raised to power 1 multiplied by 5. This is supposed to give us 45. So actually 9 times 5, this is 45, which is equal to 45. So, which you have verified, that means that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And that proves that x is equal to 2 plus log 5 to base 9. Thank you for watching and kindly subscribe.